What is Hollow Rotary Table? Hollow Rotary Table is a special mechanical device used for rotating and positioning. It usually consists of a hollow rotating platform and an electric motor. With its unique design and superior performance, Hollow Rotary Table provides an ideal solution for various industries. Unlike traditional rotary tables, Hollow Rotary Table has a hollow aperture that allows light, gas, liquid, wires, trenches, and other objects to penetrate through the hollow aperture. This means that when using a hollow rotary table, it is convenient to perform internal wiring, pipeline connections, or transfer other media. This feature makes it suitable for applications that require simultaneous rotation and transmission, greatly facilitating the design and implementation of the process flow. Hollow Rotary Table also has good multi-axis motion ability. Through precise driving and control systems, it can achieve multiple axial motions at the same time. This enables it to meet various complex motion requirements, such as rotating, swinging, tilting, etc. Meanwhile, Hollow Rotary Table also has the ability for precise positioning. Through high-precision sensors and control systems, it can achieve precise control and positioning of position, speed, and angle, playing a crucial role in applications that require precise positioning. Hansheng Automation provides hollow rotary tables that can ensure the accuracy and stability of the working process. They are cost-effective and have strong durability. Our hollow rotary tables are widely used in various fields that require multi-axis motion and precise positioning. We provide various models such as HRT, HRTC, HRM, HRTK, HRH, and you can also contact us for customization. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a message.